Hey guys, welcome back to the channel McNallie Money, your home of all things stock, investment, and personal finance related. In today's video, we're going to be profiling a brand new company to the channel. This one came to me in the form of a subscriber request. The name is SOL Global Investments. As the name implies, involved in the Solana staking and acquisition space. A very interesting company, especially if you're looking to have some crypto exposure within your portfolio, not to mention a flurry of press releases that have just come out in recent weeks. Now we're going to be talking about all of that and more in today's presentation. Before we get into it, take a second, smash the like button, you guys. Big help to myself and the channel. Specifically helps get this content to other people like you who may find value. If you're not already subscribed, McNallie Money, feel free to join. We just crossed 46,000 subscribers and we'd love to have you as part of the community. With that being said, let's get into today's video. Okay guys, so that's right. Today's video, we're going to be profiling SOL Global Investments Corp. Now for any of you who follow the channel closely, you'll know we do a lot of Bitcoin related content or Bitcoin mining coverage. This is another way to get exposure to the crypto sector, obviously looking at Solana as an alternative to Ethereum or Bitcoin. And as we're going to see in today's video, SOL Global Investments has really been going from strength to strength, mirroring what we've seen in the price of Solana itself. Now, in terms of today's share price growth, 20% on the day, up 7 cents per share. This is as of close on Monday, December 9th, currently trading hands at 42 cents Canadian. SOL Global Investments trades on the CSE here in Canada under the ticker SOL.CN, or the Canadian Securities Exchange, and on the OTC in the United States under the ticker SOLCF. Now, current market cap on SOL Global is about $50 million. And if we zoom out to a 1-month chart, you can see up 180% in the last 30 days and 546% over the last 6-month period. Now, this is obviously in response to a very strong appreciation in the price of Solana itself, which is currently sitting at about $309 Canadian, up 43% over the last 6 months, or 204% in the last year. So obviously extremely exciting returns for anyone who's already taken a position in SOL Global, and that's really what we're going to talk about for the remainder of today's presentation. So this is a look at the corporate website here. I'll leave this one linked in the video description below, solglobal.com. You can see an experienced team driven by performance, with the company following a private equity strategy that focuses on thematic investments in ultra high growth industries that disrupt traditional markets or pioneer entirely new ones. So in this case, it's crypto, specifically Solana. SOL Global provides growth capital to small and mid-sized businesses with a 2 to 5 year investment time horizon, and many of their investees actually achieving liquidity events in under 2 years. Now, similar to what we've seen with MicroStrategy and Michael Saylor, SOL Global creates value for its shareholders by making investments that generate returns and increase its net asset value, or NAV, with the company often targeting industries that are high risk, high reward opportunities, exactly like what we see in the crypto sector. Now, with that being said, there's really been a flurry of news out from SOL Global Investments just in recent weeks, and that's where we're going to spend a little bit of time next up in the presentation. So it really goes back to this press release from November 8th, talking about SOL Global providing a corporate update on their Solana-focused investment thesis, with the highlight of this press release really being the fact that debt holders are now looking to swap debt for equity into SOL Global. Now, what's exciting about this development, you can see there's a strong endorsement of SOL Global's Solana strategy, or Solana investing, acquisition, and staking strategy from their debt holders through this debt to equity settlement. And at the time this took place, it was actually at a premium, or 15 cents per share, to the current market price. So this was on November 8th. And if we go back to that date on our chart, you can see SOL Global Investments was trading at 13.5 cents on that day, giving a slight premium based on the deemed price of 15 cents per common share, used to amend the loan agreement with Bray Beacon Holdings. So this was obviously a very bullish development, not only removing some of the debt obligations from SOL Global Investments, but also the vote of confidence from the debt holders in terms of this new Solana strategy being employed by SOL Global, with a follow-up announcement coming on the 5th of December, talking about SOL Global acquiring an additional $1.5 million in Solana tokens providing the company additional exposure to the rapidly growing Solana ecosystem and actually acquiring these Solana tokens at an average price of $331 Canadian per token, which based on the December 5th date gave them access to 4,533 tokens in total. And for those of you who are unfamiliar, Solana really gives additional ability to drive the next wave of growth in blockchain technology, decentralized finance or DeFi, and derivative markets. So a very impressive blockchain ecosystem, again on par with Ethereum or Bitcoin. And really one of the benefits of the Solana network is the ability to stake these tokens. So SOL Global is emphasizing their initial strategy of owning and staking Solana tokens while making targeted investments exclusively aligned with the Solana blockchain. So this is what I mean in terms of acquisition of the Solana tokens themselves and then involvement in the staking tokenomics. And they believe this should be a leader in the blockchain space based on Solana's cutting-edge proof of history consensus mechanism, which gives Solana that unparalleled speed, scalability, and cost efficiency compared to other blockchain technology. And again, here's a quick look at Solana's price as of Monday, December 9th, down $22 or 6.7% on the day. A tough day across the board for crypto, Bitcoin retreating as well. Solana currently trading hands at $311 Canadian. So just slightly below the $331 Canadian average price per token they were able to acquire these for back on the 5th of December. Now the next day, the 6th of December, they came out with another big announcement entitled SOL Global announces Solana investment staking strategy. Again, exactly what we referred to in the intro. So they've now come out saying they've staked their original investment of 8,123 tokens at a rate of 5.6% and will continue to stake their future purchases, with SOL Global stating they believe this strategic staking approach leverages the robust capabilities of Solana's proof-of-stake protocol to maximize staking rewards while supporting the network's decentralization and security. So not only are they making investments in Solana tokens themselves, which again have appreciated over 205% this year alone, but they're actually earning a yield or staking reward off these tokens as well. So with that being said, a very interesting way to play the crypto sector, specifically if you're bullish on Solana. Again, extreme share price growth or appreciation this year, up nearly 550%, really on the back of what we've seen in terms of the price of Solana itself. I'd be super curious to hear what you think of SOL Global Investments, specifically if you're already holding shares of this company, your outlook on Solana, and price predictions for 2025. If you're still watching the video at this point, hopefully you found some value, so make sure you hit the like button. Feel free to subscribe. And with that being said, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.